In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect FTMO to MetaTrader 5. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up MetaTrader 5, and then you want to go to the top left where it says File, click on File, and then click on Open an Account. Here you want to look for FTMO, so FTMO, and then click on Find Your Company. And over here, you're going to see FTMO Global Markets Ltd. Click on this and click on Next. Here you'll see you have three options. You want to click on connect to an existing trade account. And after you do this, there comes the important part. You want to go ahead and you want to open up your FTMO dashboard over here. So you want to sign into your account and you want to click on Accounts Overview. Now, over here, assuming you already have an account, I have the free trial. I want to show you this over here. You'll have to then select the account you want to connect to MT5, and then you want to click on Credentials over here. So just click on Credentials. And here you can see your login. So first you want to copy your login. Let me just go back. There we go. And this is going to be pasted in here. So in this part, then you can see your password over here just next to it. So it says master password. I'm going to just copy this. There we go. And I'm going to paste it in here. And then at the very bottom, you'll also see the server. So for me, it's FTMO demo. I'm going to go over here and you can select, as you can see, there's a bunch of them. Just click the one. For me, it's going to be this one. And after you've done this, click on finish. And there we go. As you can see, you've successfully connected in here and connected FTMO to MetaTrader 5. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.